Going. Let's get back to e4. He played something bad, right? He played e5 and he lost. Yeah, so let's keep going with the bishops. That is not it. That is not it. Okay, let's play this line again. How many points do you won against him? Not many. 116. I can go bishop g5 here, maybe. I think this endgame is bad for black, but I could be wrong on that. Okay, so he's happy to play this endgame. He has not shown me that he possesses an ability to play a good endgame yet. So the fact that he's not shown me that he knows how to play an endgame makes me believe that I can just play endgames and run circles around him, much like Magnus Carlsen does to most top players. Actually, rook d. Why did I just go rook d1 and just knight g? Why did I mean, I'm still fine, but why did I do this? Actually, wait. But what is? But actually, wait. What is this? Because now I just take. Ew. What did he just do? Got knight f6. Or knight g3. Or wait, wait a second. Knight g3, check b4. Yes. There we go. There we go. He can't save the two b's. He loses one of his b's. I won the early title Tuesday. I did not win the second one. No, I didn't. So, yeah. Take. I mean, obviously I'm just winning. Let's go f4 and trade. Okay, he's only moving really fast like he's a genius. I don't really understand why, but he is. Probably just reroute.